Hi, I'm Eric Pfeifer, broker owner of Pfeifer Realty Group here on Sanibel and Captiva Islands, and I'm super excited to announce our second open house parade. On Sunday, March 24th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., our fabulous agents will have a lot of great listings open for your viewing. So please stop by and see our open house on Sunday, March 24th. Here's a sneak peek of some of our great listings.
Greetings, 1581 San Carlos Bay. This is a rarely available opportunity. We have a Gulf access property, impeccable condition, bays right there, canal in the back. We have an open house on the 24th of this month of March from 11 to 2. Not only get to see the house, you get to see me. So I'm looking forward to seeing you here. Please come by and I'll show you the rest.
Hi, I'm Marvell Bradley with Pfeifer Realty Group. Come by and check out our newest listing to hit the market, located at 978 Oyster Court. This is a canal front home that features an open floor concept, and I look forward to meeting you there.
Hi, I'm Wendy Kirshner with Pfeifer Realty Group. I'm here at 753 Narita. We're having an open house this weekend from 11 to 2. Come see this elevated near beach home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. See you on Sunday.
So I hope we got your interest, and I hope you can grab a bike, grab a friend, and come out and see all of our open houses on Sunday, March 24th. Thank you.